Meaning of involuntary.
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 Involuntary. The term involuntary refers to something that is done or experienced without choice or intention. It can describe actions, movements or responses that are not under conscious control, as well as feelings, sensations or states that occur spontaneously or against one's will. Involuntary acts may be the result of reflexes, bodily functions, unconscious processes, or external influences, whereas voluntary acts are deliberate, intentional, or based on decision-making. Examples of involuntary behaviors include sneezing, blinking, sweating, shivering, or having an involuntary muscle twitch.